Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Section 08, Docker on AWS, ECS, ECR, and Fargate. In this lesson, we'll explore how to use Docker on AWS with services like Amazon Elastic Container Service, ECS, Amazon Elastic Container Registry, ECR, and AWS Fargate. 1. Docker. Docker is a platform that allows you to package, distribute, and run applications in containers. Containers are lightweight, isolated environments that contain everything needed to run an application, including the code, runtime, libraries, and dependencies. 2. Amazon ECS. Amazon ECS is a highly scalable, high-performance container orchestration service that supports Docker containers. ECS allows you to easily run and manage Docker containers in a cluster of EC2 instances or using AWS Fargate. 3. Amazon ECR. Amazon ECR is a fully managed Docker container registry that makes it easy to store, manage, and deploy Docker container images. ECR integrates seamlessly with ECS, allowing you to deploy containers directly from ECR to ECS. 4. AWS Fargate. AWS Fargate is a serverless compute engine for containers that allows you to run containers without having to manage the underlying infrastructure. With Fargate, you can focus on your application and let AWS handle the scaling, patching, and infrastructure management. To use Docker on AWS with ECS, ECR, and Fargate, you would typically follow these steps. 1. Containerize your application. Package your application into a Docker container by creating a Docker file that defines the container image. 2. Push container image to ECR. Use the Docker push command to push your Docker container image to ECR, which will store the image securely in your AWS account. 2. Push container image to ECR. Use the Docker push command to push your Docker container image to ECR, which will store the image securely in your AWS account. 3. Create an ECS task definition. Define your containerized application in an ECS task definition, which specifies the Docker image, CPU, memory requirements, networking configuration, and other parameters. 4. Create an ECS cluster. Create an ECS cluster, which is a logical grouping of EC2 instances or Fargate tasks that will run your containers. 5. Run your containers. Use the ECS console or CLI to run your containers in the ECS cluster. ECS will schedule and manage the containers, ensuring they are running and healthy. 6. Scale your application. Use ECS or Fargate to scale your application by adding or removing containers based on demand. Overall, Docker on AWS with ECS, ECR, and Fargate provides a powerful platform for deploying and managing containerized applications in the cloud.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.